Hi, my name is Camille Zellen. I own a practice in Duluth, Minnesota, which is a city on the shores of Lake Superior in northern Minnesota. I practice full-time along with an associate and about a dozen other staff members of hygienists and assistants, so it's a very busy, fast-paced practice. Here's a picture of my family. I was recently accredited through the AACD, and this is a picture of us around my framed certificate. And there's my girl Sadie, a miniature labradoodle. Today I'm excited to have the opportunity to talk to you about composite. I will focus primarily on the shaping, finishing, and polishing of your composite restorations to make them appear lifelike and beautiful. There are so many things to love about composite, but I really like the economical advantage of composite as well as its efficiency in transforming a smile while being conservative in nature. Patients are well educated and are requesting and seeking out conservative dentistry, and composite is really the most aesthetic and conservative option today. I also love to use composite as a quick instrument to show patients what is possible with their smile during a consultation appointment. It can be really powerful to take a few minutes to place and shape composite on a patient's front tooth to show them what can be achieved in composite or porcelain veneering. I never finish and polish these composite mock-ups, so being able to get the shape just right and doing so quickly is key. But in order to do this, you have to have the confidence in handling composite and understanding how to replicate tooth morphology quickly and predictably. Because if this is your one shot to showcase your skills to a patient, you want to be good. If a patient can see you mock up a veneer in minutes, they're going to be more trusting of your abilities for the real thing. In this presentation, I've included photographs and video of how I implement the steps I will discuss. For me, I'm very much a visual learner, so hopefully sharing some visual examples will help solidify the techniques I talk about.